Hey there, Keto Warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the keto diet, but with a twist. We're going to explore the top 25 high-fiber foods that you can enjoy on your keto journey. Yes, you heard it right, you can still keep those net carbs low while boosting your fiber intake for better digestion and overall health. So, let's get started. 1. Seeds and nuts. First up, we have seeds and nuts that are keto-friendly and packed with fiber. Chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and almonds are fantastic choices. Just a small portion can go a long way in keeping you full and satisfied. 2. More nuts and coconut. Don't forget about walnuts, pecans, and pumpkin seeds, too. They provide fiber and healthy fats for an energy boost. And if you're a coconut fan, shredded coconut is a great addition to your keto recipes. 3. The avocado ace. Avocados. The superheroes of keto. These creamy wonders are not only low in carbs but also high in fiber. Just one medium avocado offers a whopping 9 grams of fiber. A keto staple for sure. 4. The veggie stars. Now, let's talk veggies. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, spinach, and kale are excellent choices. They're low in net carbs and loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 5. Leafy greens and more. Don't forget about collard greens, Swiss chard, and asparagus. They're all fiber-rich and delicious when prepared keto style. Plus, they bring a burst of color to your plate. 6. Very nice choices. For those sweet cravings, berries are your go-to fruits. Raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are relatively low in net carbs and provide a good dose of fiber. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation. 7. The blueberry exception. Blueberries. While they're higher in carbs than other berries, they still offer some fiber. Just be cautious with portion sizes to stay within your keto limits. 8. Cabbage and friends. Cabbage, in its various forms, is a keto-friendly veggie with a good amount of fiber. It's versatile and can be used in many keto recipes, from coleslaw to stir-fries. 9. Zucchini and green beans. Zucchini and green beans are low-carb veggies that make excellent side dishes. They're easy to prepare and add that much-needed fiber to your diet. 10. The power of nuts. Let's dive a bit deeper into the world of nuts. While we've already mentioned some, like almonds, walnuts, and pecans, there are a few more worth mentioning. Macadamia nuts and hazelnuts are also keto-friendly choices that provide a good amount of fiber. They're perfect for snacking or adding a crunch to your keto desserts. 11. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another fantastic source of fiber for your keto diet. They are not only packed with fiber but also contain essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium. They're a great choice for a quick and convenient keto-friendly snack. 12. Rich and creamy dairy. Now, let's talk about some dairy options. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, when chosen in their full-fat, unsweetened varieties, can be included in a keto diet. They offer a good amount of protein and some fiber to keep you satisfied. 13. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a keto-friendly fiber supplement that can be a real game-changer. It's often used to thicken recipes or make low-carb bread and wraps. Just be sure to drink plenty of water when using psyllium husk to avoid any digestive discomfort. 14. Nutritional powerhouses. Flaxseed meal and coconut flour are essential ingredients for keto baking. They are not only low in net carbs but also provide fiber. You can use them to create all sorts of keto-friendly bread, muffins, and pancakes. 15. Seaweed snacks. For a unique keto-friendly source of fiber, consider seaweed snacks. They're low in carbs and offer a different texture and flavor to shake up your snacking routine. 16. Staying hydrated. Lastly, remember that staying hydrated is crucial on the keto diet. Adequate water intake helps with digestion and can prevent constipation, a common issue when fiber intake increases. So, don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 17. Satisfying snack ideas. Let's talk about some practical snack ideas that incorporate these high-fiber keto foods. One easy option is to make a chia seed pudding with almond milk, sweetened with a touch of stevia or erythritol. Top it off with a few raspberries for an extra fiber boost. 18. Creative salads. Get creative with salads. Mix spinach, kale, and arugula, then add some avocado, pumpkin seeds, and a flax seed meal for a tasty, fiber-packed salad. Dress it with olive oil and vinegar to keep it keto-friendly. 19. Nut butter delights. Nut butter enthusiasts, unite. Spread almond or macadamia nut butter on some celery sticks or cucumber slices for a satisfying snack. This combo provides healthy fats, protein, and fiber. 20. Keto-friendly smoothies. You can also blend up a keto-friendly smoothie by combining spinach or kale with a few blackberries, a scoop of flaxseed meal, and some coconut milk. It's a refreshing way to get your fiber in. 21. Low-carb wraps. If you're craving a wrap, consider using lettuce leaves or cabbage leaves as a low-carb, high-fiber alternative to tortillas. Fill them with your favorite keto-friendly ingredients for a delicious and fiber-rich meal. 22. Fiber supplements. If you find it challenging to meet your fiber goals through food alone, consider adding a fiber supplement like psyllium husk to your daily routine. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the proper dosage for you. 23. Fiber tracking. One last tip, keep a food journal or use a nutrition tracking app to monitor your fiber intake. This can help you stay on top of your keto goals and ensure you're getting enough fiber without going over your carb limit. 24. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix and match these high-fiber foods in your keto meals. For example, you can create a delicious breakfast by combining chia seeds, almond butter, and a few strawberries for a fiber-packed parfait. It's both tasty and satisfying. 25. Experiment with recipes. Lastly, don't hesitate to experiment with recipes that incorporate these high-fiber keto foods. There's a vast array of keto-friendly recipes available online that can help you diversify your fiber intake while staying in ketosis. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy your keto journey to the fullest. Final thoughts. That wraps up our exploration of the top 25 high-fiber foods for the keto diet. Remember, the key to success is finding a balance that works for you. Keep your net carbs in check, monitor your fiber intake, and always prioritize your overall health. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow keto enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite high-fiber keto recipes, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our keto community. Thank you for joining us on this fiber-filled keto adventure. Stay committed, stay healthy, and until next time, keep enjoying your keto lifestyle. Take care, and we'll see you in our next video.